Okay, so this is a quick video on balanced chemical equations, chemical reactions. Now, this can be complicated and it can definitely cause people issues, and so you need to come see me before school or at lunch so we can talk about it in more detail. More or less, if we're given an equation, potassium ion plus H2O yielding potassium OH plus H2. Now, we want to balance it at this point. So by balancing, I mean I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to have a reactants and a product side. And I have each individual element in the middle. First thing we're going to do is measure or count the numbers of potassium on each side. One here, one here. Number of hydrogen. I have 2 on the left, and I have 3 on the right. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. So my first thought is I need to balance off the hydrogens. I have 3 on one side, 1 on the other side. So I'm going to add, in a different color, use blue, I have 2 here. Now, I'm going to recount. Every time I add a new coefficient, I recount. So, take a red pen, take a blue pen. That means I have 2 potassium now. I have 2 oxygen, and I have 4 hydrogen. Now, since I changed this side, I need to change this side as well. So I'm going to add another 2 here. That's going to give me 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. That looks pretty good. And then finally, I'm going to add another 2 here. That's going to give me 2 potassium. And I go back to double check. 2, 4, and 2. Now it's balanced. So this is the same method that we use for all balancing equations. There isn't really a shortcut. It's almost exclusively trial and error at this stage in the game. So you have to just keep working through it, and if you get to the point where it's going too far or it's too hard, just start over and call it good. All right, let's do another one. Let's do calcium plus water yields calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So first things first, I'm going to draw a couple lines. I have calcium, hydrogen, oxygen. I have 1 over here, 2, 4, 1, and 2. Okay? Cool. First thing I'm going to do is go with, let's start with oxygen, I guess. And just kind of pick one randomly. And how I started off. Now I'm going to have to do them all anyway. Boom. There we go. Now just double check. I have 1 calcium on each side. I have 4 hydrogen. And I have 2 oxygen. And 2 oxygen. There we go. There we go. So it can be really easy. Turn it on. Let's go some more harder. H3PO4 plus 3 NaOH yields Na3PO4 plus H2O. Hydrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sodium. I have 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Now the reason why we're doing this is due to the law of conservation of mass. We have to have the same number of mass on each side. So if I have 5 hydrogens on one side, I need to have 5 hydrogens on the other side. 4, 5. Dang it. Not supposed to be there. Totally messed this one up. Let me start over. Totally messed that one up. Start over. Alright. H3, I got all distracted as I was talking. Go figure. Okay, so let's see. Now I'm going to count up my elements. For starting with hydrogen, I have 4 on the left, and I have, let's see, 1, 2 on the right. I have 1 phosphorus on the left, 1 on the right, oxygen. 4, 5 over here, and on this side I have 5 as well. Sodium, I have 1 over here, and I have 3 over here. Okay, so let's start. Just picking randomly, I'll start here. All right. That gives me 3 sodium, as well as 4 plus 3 is 7 oxygen, and 3 plus 3 is 6 hydrogen. Alright, that's good. Now I need to somehow bounce off my hydrogen, so I'm going to make that a 6 by multiplying this by 3, giving me 6 hydrogens, and then 3 oxygens, 3 plus 4 oxygens, 7 oxygens, and 1. And there we go. And that's how we balance equations. Again, if you get into problems where you have like lots of numbers and you're getting really lost, just start over. Sometimes you just end up on the wrong path and you need to start over. I know it sucks, but that's how it works. If you have any questions, you can find me in class. Otherwise, we'll see you later. Have a good day.